Hello again. I have another video about my power pulse modulator circuit. This is the most incredible circuit board I've ever seen. And what this thing can do, no PWM other circuit board can match for pulsing a coil and getting that tremendous EMF spike back. This thing is just totally awesome. What I did is I hooked it up to a regular 115 volt household bulb so you can see the brightness comparison compared to just 12 volts of the battery and what it steps up to and using a higher frequency. The cool thing about this board is the little capacitor there, if you can see that, you can pull it out. It's interchangeable, and they give you 3 more capacitors, for the frequency. It starts off from say 0 to 1,000 hertz, and then you change it out and you put the other one in, it goes up more, then the other one, then the other one, and it goes up to 1.5 megahertz of frequency of pulsing. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the frequency and the amp draw coming off of this for lighting this light bulb is really amazing. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my 12 volts on. Now this is just a regular 12 volt battery here, and as you can see how bright this light is already just from the back spikes coming off of this. And I want you to see the amp draw right now is 0.30 amps. So, and the frequency, we're running about 2.928K. So watch what happens when I turn up the frequency now to what it does on the amps. The brightness stays the same, but watch what happens to the amps. It drops, the current just drops down and it goes to 0. And our frequency that we're running at is 5,300, well, it's on and off, 6,000, just say 6,000 hertz of pulsing power, and the current has been completely eliminated. Now I don't know if it's just the meter that can't detect that alternating frequency because it's pulsing so fast and I'm getting no current registry on it, but look at the brightness of that. Now let me show you what it does when I unhook this, and I'm just gonna hook it up to the battery, the regular battery. There you go. That's just the battery, 12 volts. Now compare brightness here. I'm gonna hook it back up to the pulsing circuit. Big difference there. And there's no secret for the EMF, how I'm capturing the EMF. The circuit board is doing all of it, because you can see my little neon light glowing there. So it's coming off the coil, coming back, and the light bulb's picking it up. So it's using it as well as the other pulsing frequency that goes in. Every time it pulses and releases and shuts off, you get that back spike, and it's all fed right back into the light bulb. Totally awesome circuit. One more time. This is the normal 12 volts coming right from the battery here. Then we got the pulsing. Wow. Totally awesome. And the triode stays cold to the touch. It's not even affected. Neither is the circuit board heatsink there. It all stays cold to the touch. Amazing product here. Highly recommended for pulsing coils. Okay, thanks for watching.